welcome back to my channel. Guess who dyed her wig pink? Hey! I am so in love with this color. I actually used to have my hair this kind of pink before, like my real hair, and it's one of my favorite colors to have, so I'm so glad I recreated it. It is so pretty, and I love this like bedhead look too. So anyway, in this video I'm going to kind of show you and tell you how I got this pink if you want to do something like this. So the color that I use is this one by Lime Crime. It's their unicorn hair in the color Bunny, which is so cute. I feel like that's like the perfect name for this kind of color. And what I did is, I'll insert a clip, I mixed the Bunny with a little bit of this, which is the Fike Intense Fortifying Mask. This is my favorite hair mask slash deep conditioner. This is a lifesaver, honestly. It's really nice. It smells like vanilla. I have gone through so many containers of this. When I used to bleach out my hair a lot, this is the only thing that would ever save my hair. It would like make it actually soft and normal again. So highly recommend this. And since this wig was kind of getting a little dry and crispy, I wanted to mix the mask in with the hair dye just to kind of give the wig some extra nourishment. And I also mixed in the mask to lighten up the pink as well, because I really wanted to go straight to this like pastel baby pink. And I saw another girl's review when she was doing, she was dyeing her hair with the Bunny, and she just used it straight out of the bottle, and it came out a little bit brighter than I would want. So I wanted to make sure I lightened it before I put it in my hair, just so I wouldn't have to go through like and wash it so many times to get the color that I wanted. I just wanted to get it right the first time, and I am so happy with the color. This is so perfect. So I just applied it how you normally would. I used a mixing bowl and a brush, and I just applied it to the roots first. So I did all the roots and then kind of massaged it into the ends. And I wasn't really too concerned about dyeing the lace, just because with something like this, it would wash out. I mean, in my wig, you can kind of see the knots are pink, so it's a little weird. I mean, you can't really see on camera, I don't think, but I mean, here the hair is still white, and here the knots are pink, but I don't really think that's a big deal. I feel it'll wash out, so I wasn't really too concerned about getting it all over the wig. And with this hair dye, they recommend to leave it for at least 45 minutes. They actually call it like a wash. It's like a hair wash versus a hair dye, which makes sense because the reviews I've seen, it washes out really well. So, I don't know. I won't be washing my wig that much, but I feel like if you're looking to try this and you want something that won't last that long, just kind of like a temporary thing, I feel like this would be something like that. It would just wash out pretty quick in like a couple washes. So yeah, they recommend at least 45 minutes just to make sure it's really absorbed into your hair. You can leave it in a little longer if you want to. It doesn't damage your hair. I left it in my wig overnight, so just to give you an example. So yeah, I highly recommend this. I think it's super pretty. I love how it came out. And you can use it without the conditioner too. I feel like it would still be a really pretty pink. I just wanted it to be, you know, extra pastel looking. Yeah, so anyway, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to tell you guys how I got this color. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.